I'm Michael, and today I'm going to discuss how to attach a database to a SQL Server. So originally I got the database from Brent Ozar's website showing that I got the small 10 gig database. There are some other options you could choose if you really want the medium or the larger one that's about 430 gig. I didn't need those for my purposes, so I just got the smaller one. And when I downloaded it, it needed to be extracted because it was zipped up. So after I got it zipped up, I well, thought I had it unzipped. Well, we'll delete this out and unzip it again. And extract. There it is. So we will move this over to the data drive, which whenever I installed the SQL Server, it created a data drive for the system databases, and that's where I want to keep my user databases as well. This will make it easier for the instance to be able to find it whenever we do go to attach it. So it's almost done with its extraction. All right, there it is. Copy these two over. This is the MDF, the data file, and then this is the LDF, which is the transaction log file. Copy those over, and that should be relatively quick. And while we're waiting, we will open up Ssms. So they're already moved over there. As I said, they're relatively small. So we will open this up. It is localhost, which is my computer. Connect it. We'll see there's no user databases at the moment, just the system ones. So we will go over to the databases area, right click on there. We'll do attach. You can script this out as well, and just whenever we get far enough, I'll show you what the scripts look like. So whenever you go to down to add, you're looking for the MDF file location. That's one of the reasons you wanted to move over there, is just because it's easier to find. Also, it's a good practice to keep all of them standardized. So OK, and it automatically picked up where the LDF file was there. If that LDF file wasn't there in that location, then it might have tried to look for it. Might try to create a new one. Let's see. So that looks good. You can go ahead and script this. We'll get that script out what it looks like. Let's see. And I'm just going to push OK, but I'm going to show you what the script looks like. So basically, it's just creating that data file, StackOverflow 2010, and then choosing the file names and the kind of the data path over here for the data file, and then the transaction log file, and then it will attach. We've already done that. These are over here, and now you've got about 10 gigs worth of tables. So that is all. Let me know if you like this content, and please like and subscribe.